To buy Aegis token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It launched by 9 days ago. And the liquidity here, as you can see, it's 100%. That's good. That's meaning investment in the safe place. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address came under this one. So now open your Phantom wallet for that. After that, click on swap. Make sure first you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now after that, click here and paste the token address here to be able to find the right token. Now click on it. After that, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. As you can see here, this alert, it said this token is unverified. Only interact with tokens you trust. Now, if you're ready to go, now select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Aegis token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.